First salad.
Did you like that, Layla? Oh, there's a smile.
This is all gonna get cleared out. I'll show you the after. It's his 33rd birthday. Woo! Happy birthday, babe. Hi guys, welcome back to our weekly vlogs. It's been a while since we've done it. Connor's over there driving, per usual, in the car. We just got done painting at our Airbnb. We're doing a little bit of work there at the one we're renovating. It's been a while since we've hopped on and done vlogs. I've filmed like random things here and there that I'm gonna share soon after I'm done filming this part, but I wanted to say we're bringing back the weekly vlogs. We took a little bit of a break in the beginning of January just to kind of like regroup and, you know, just to give ourselves a break because it was the holidays and it was a lot. It was busy, and so we needed a little bit of a breather. So we're back, and I hope you guys missed us. Didn't miss us too much, but we're back. We'll be showing you guys our daily life, and it's not very exciting lately over here, but it is what it is. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what you missed.
Are we going to try out your chair?
Hi, babies. This is as tight as we can get for you, so we're going to put this. Got the bib over there. There's the bib. Ooh. Whoa. What do you think, honey? Yep. Layla, this is a bib for you. It's like she's not even like leaning forward enough, but okay. First solids. Oh, nice spit up.
Good.
Okay, we're just gonna do a tiny little bit. Are you ready? Are you ready? What do you think? She's like, Dad's filming me. I don't know.
Do you like that?
Can you swallow it? Oh. Do you like it?
Did you like that, Layla? Oh, there's a smile.
Are you swallowing it? She's gonna spit up green later, isn't she?
It's gonna come...
I can't tell if she likes it or not.
It's gonna come up or it's gonna come out later.
Right? That's okay. They say like not to clean it up either because she's learning to like textures and everything. But they say not to clean it off her face and just like let her get dirty.
Layla, you did great, honey. Good job, honey.
That's supposed to go under your chin. There you are. Look at you. She finally fits in one of her 3 to 6 month outfits.
Woo!
Yay! Yay, Layla. So we just got back from Layla's weight check. So we had her 4-month appointment, what was it, 2.5 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago? And they wanted us to come back in. She's growing, but she's not growing as fast as they wanted. I don't know if I mentioned this in any previous vlogs, but they wanted us to like offer her a bottle. Yeah, I think I did. Offer a bottle or a bottle of breast milk or a bottle of formula, whichever I can do, or during the day instead of the breast, so that we know she's getting this volume she's getting. So, oh, you just burped. Nothing came out though. I wore black to her appointment. I should not have because she spit up all over me. And you just woke up from a nap, but you're still happy. But they basically said she gained since her last appointment, but they basically said she's gaining slowly. They want to try to, we still want to try to offer bottles so we know that she's getting a good amount and she's not hungry, but she's always happy. So I just take it as you're just a happy peanut. You're just a peanut. She's a little under 12 pounds right now. And her last appointment, she was like upwards 10, almost 11 pounds. So we're doing good though. Just wanted to update you guys on that. She's got this cute little outfit. I think this is just like a Jessica Simpson outfit. It was someone from the shower gave it to us. My baby shower for you. And our battery's about to die. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Mwah.
Yummy.
What is that?
Yummy. Yummy, honey.
Want some more? Is it yummy?
Yeah, that's good.
It's on your face. Trying to get Layla down for a nap right now, but Connor is about to put up our curtains in her nursery right there. When we did the carpet in here, I painted the trim and I didn't give it another coat. Still needs another coat, but we're not gonna do it right now. So he is we're figuring out where it's gonna go. We can't have long to like floor to ceiling curtains like here because of just like the layout in this room. So trying to see what height is gonna work in here. I think that actually was a good height. So I'll show you, this is the before and I'll show you after. Okay, pulled out my phone so you can see what this looks like. I just did some laundry too between filming that last clip. So yeah, just disregard that. Here's what the curtains look like. I love the way they look too. The short actually doesn't look bad. And then it's easy to just pull them shut and it's blackout. It's not completely blackout during the day, but we could change out the blinds to be blackout blinds. I just love the daylight in here. It gives me a little serotonin in the morning so we can open it up when I'm feeding her, but she does well with the naps with this shut. I'm just about to put Layla down for a nap. She just blew out her diaper, so that was fun. Connor's actually making torpedoes. I shared this recipe on Instagram. They're very similar to a place in Madison that does them, but they are jalapenos stuffed with Monterey Jack. Well, we're gonna use pepper jack this time. Monterey Jack, cheese, shrimp, and wrapped in bacon. So good. And then we serve them with sour cream. Super yummy, so I'm excited for that, but gonna put her down for a nap. We got this new Zen sleep sack. Let me show you. This is the bigger one, but it's from Nested Bean. It's gently weighted, so it's supposed to like mimic like your hand on a baby's chest, and it's for the winter months as well, so it keeps her nice and warm. So far she's been liking it. I haven't noticed like a huge difference yet, but this is like her third nap in it. Last night she woke up 2 or 3 times, so that was fun. She's in the middle of her 4-month sleep regression for sure, but we're working with it, aren't we? She's like, whoa, what is that? Let's go wipe your mouth and then let's go put you down for a nap. Ooh, they're looking good. Connor's cooking the bacon. He pre-cooks them before putting them on and then cooking them again. I like it extra crispy.
I don't do single layer bacon, I just load it all in there.
That works.
You're just playing with it in your mouth.
Hey, don't get it all over. I mean, it's already all over, but don't get it on the ground.
Are you still eating? Nom 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 nom. These delicious beans, huh?
Yummy green bean.
Can I have some? Can I have some?
No, these are my green beans. She wasn't sure how she felt the bottom at first, but I think she likes them now. We are doing a little project today. So our Peloton, which I shared, we got that like later in my pregnancy. I did the Peloton quite a few times. Did I get it? Yeah, we got it when I was pregnant. I'm like, I couldn't remember when we got it. It's in our basement and we never use it because it's down there. We have Airbnb like furniture down there being stored and it's just a hot mess. There's some of my office stuff that their nursery used to be an office. All of that got moved downstairs. So it's just a disaster down there. So needless to say, we just don't use the Peloton down there and we need to be on it. We need to get back on it. I've been using the app to do like yoga and stuff, but I want to get back on the bike. So Conor had a good idea of moving it to replace our 1.5 chair up here. Just for now, just temporary. It's not going to stay that way. We figured we'd see if we'd use it more. We go to Hawaii in a little over a month. So we're going to see if we can get the use out of it. And this is currently our DVD cabinet. We never watch DVDs. I want to get rid of them. Conor does not. He's like, what if Layla wants to watch them? We watched VHSs at my mom's house when we were first starting to date. So he's like, well, what if it's like that? I'm like, okay, whatever. You hearing me, honey? He doesn't want to get rid of them, but we're gonna move those down to the basement and kind of turn this into a makeshift workout cabinet. Putting like our weights in there, and I have my yoga stuff over there as well. And then we have everything in one place. It's all up here, so hopefully the goal is to get more workouts in this way, so we'll see. And then also, I don't think I showed you guys, we replaced the tree back here. I don't think I showed this. Used to be a larger like palm, and we've replaced it with this olive tree, but I need a new pot for it still. But it opens up this corner so much. So transforming things little by little, but this is again temporary with the 1.5 chair. So here's the 1.5 chair. Taze is gonna be disappointed because it's his way to look out the window and bark at people, but I won't be mad about it. He has plenty of other couches to sit on. So here's the before right now. It's got like our Dyson stuff in it and then DVDs. It does have one little workout thing in it and then some CDs. This is all gonna get cleared out and I'll show you the after. What do you think, Cubs? What do you think? Was it kisses? Did you get some kisses? Kisses, you got some kisses. Oh, he's a boy. I totally forgot to take an after, but here is the Peloton. Quite a few days later, I'm taking it on my phone because you're fine. Connor's eating over there. You're not in it. This is what it looks like. We've used it a couple times. It's been, what, a couple weeks? And then I will show you what this looks like in here. So we got our Peloton shoes, some yoga blocks, yoga mat, and then we have, what are these? The resistance bands there, and then some other yoga straps up here. So much better use of this space too. It is Sunday, January 30th, and it's Connor's 33rd birthday. He's coming. He's closing the back door right now. It's his 33rd birthday. Woo! Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you, honey.
We're gonna go out to lunch with his friend, and then we have a family dinner tonight with his family. So busy day, busy Sunday. So let's go eat. What do you think, Layla? Should we show your cute outfit? You're so cute. Got your Valentine's hearts, huh? We're gonna go out to lunch for Daddy's birthday. Woo. Yay! Nice. Dog park time. Taser, come here. Taser, come here. Come here, Bubba. Taser, come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, not you, sorry. Got little Layla's here. It's cold, but she's snuggled in and sleeping. Dog park day. Oh! Yes, I did. Taze, come here. All right, I know we said we'd be back on here, and I feel like we haven't really been. Connor's dancing and singing a TikTok song. I just asked my Instagram following and my TikTok following. So now I need to ask my YouTube followers.
Oh.
You guys, what the? That's not funny.
Gotcha.
Do not. So we need your advice on traveling with an infant. Layla's gonna be 6 months old. 6 month old? We're gonna have a 6 month old when we're traveling next month on a long airplane ride. And so we need all the tips, all the tricks. You can either comment on here or go on my Instagram or TikTok and comment and help us out. We're gonna be needing all the things, all the tips and tricks and hacks and all the advice. We are, it's the weekend. We are heading to Connor's parents for, it's their birthday. His mom and dad's birthday are a couple days apart. And we got Layla in the back. We're trying to keep her awake, but she just fell asleep. She's still on her little sleep regression. She's like, every couple nights she'll sleep through the night, but she's still waking quite a bit. So we're hoping to get past this. Hopefully we get past this before we go to Hawaii, but we'll see. So that's what we're doing today. Now you want to talk in the camera?
No, I just...
Conor likes to just interrupt me, and I get frustrated sometimes.